If you're looking to double your money, one of the simplest ways to calculate how long it will take is by using the Rule of 72. In this video, we'll explain what the Rule of 72 is and how you can use it to double your money. Let's get started. What is the Rule of 72? The Rule of 72 is a quick and easy way to estimate how long it will take for your money to double at a given rate of return. To use the Rule of 72, simply divide 72 by the interest rate you're earning on your investment. For example, if you're earning a 6% return on your investment, it will take approximately 12 years for your money to double. 72 divided by 6 equals 12. Using the Rule of 72 to double your money. Now that you understand the Rule of 72, let's look at some examples of how you can use it to double your money. 1. Investing in the stock market. Historically, the stock market has provided an average return of around 10% per year. Using the Rule of 72, we can estimate that it would take approximately 7.2 years for your money to double in the stock market. 72 divided by 10 equals 7.2. 2. High-interest savings accounts. Some high-interest savings accounts offer interest rates of around 2 to 3% per year. Using the Rule of 72, we can estimate that it would take approximately 24 to 36 years for your money to double in a high-interest savings account. 72 divided by 2 or 3 equals 24 or 36. 3. Real estate investments. Real estate investments can provide a return through rental income and property appreciation, assuming a 5% annual return. Using the Rule of 72, we can estimate that it would take approximately 14.4 years for your money to double in a real estate investment. 72 divided by 5 equals 14.4. The Rule of 72 is a useful tool for estimating how long it will take for your money to double at a given rate of return. By using this rule, you can make informed investment decisions and set realistic financial goals. Keep in mind that the Rule of 72 is just an estimate and actual results may vary based on market conditions and other factors. It's important to do your own research and seek professional advice before making any investment decisions. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this. Also, feel free to leave a comment below and let us know your thoughts on the Rule of 72 and how you plan to use it to achieve your financial goals.